Hi guys, in this video we will show you how to create a WhatsApp username in just a few simple steps. If your WhatsApp account supports this feature, you will be able to share your username instead of your phone numbers. Let's get started. Open your WhatsApp app on your iPhone or any Android phone. Make sure that you are using latest version of WhatsApp. So first update your WhatsApp. Here go to settings from the bottom right corner and here go to account settings. Tap on account. Here under your account you will find username. Tap on it. Here you will see username are coming soon. Reserves your today. So three options available here. Create username, use Instagram username or use Facebook username. We will go through one by one. The first one is tap on create username and here choose a name. You can use letters, numbers, periods and underscores. It cannot start with www or end with a domain like .com. So simply use a letters, numbers, periods and underscores. If the username is already taken, try adding numbers or changing the spelling. But you have also an option to suggest username. So tap on suggest username and it will provide a username with numbers. Once you have found an available username, tap done or save from the top right corner. Now we will see the second option, use Instagram username. If you want to use your Instagram username, then tap on use Instagram username and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. You will have to log in or sign up with your Instagram account. Choose continue and thereafter Instagram login page will be available. Simply put your credential and sign in with Instagram user account. Same process, use Facebook username. Same process, tap on continue and put your username and password of your Facebook account and follow on screen instruction to use your Facebook username as WhatsApp username. That's it. Your username is now created. People who know you username can connect with your